For 2 Hacks 2020 is CourierU. CourierU is a tool for food banks and charities to distribute supplies to those in need during the COVID-19 pandemic. Essentially, it's a platform for recipients, donors, and couriers to coordinate deliveries while maintaining social distancing. So let's just start from viewing the application from the perspective of a recipient. So let's just say I'm a recipient. I already have an account. Okay, so as a recipient, I can see the supplies I've requested and their delivery status. Let's just request a new supply, toilet paper, request. Okay, the request is sent. So the request is sent to our Node.js server, and data is stored on MongoDB Atlas. So here's a request I made. And now once a request has been made, workers at the charity or the food bank can coordinate deliveries using the dispatcher page. So the car icon represents a courier. So he's delivering the supplies. We can select the courier and find someone to deliver to. And here's the shop icon represents a recipient. So that was the request I just made. I can add this address to the route, and it automatically generates an optimized route between the courier and the recipient. The warehouse is the location of the charity, and we use Mapbox API and routes, no radar.io to create optimized routes. So we can see information about the route, the distance, and the duration, as well as the addresses involved. So we can assign this route to the courier, and the route is assigned. And now we can see this, see what the courier sees. All right, so from the courier receives a request. You can see the route, and they can choose to accept it, which I will accept the request, and as they get the same information as the dispatcher does. So once the courier completes their route, they can update the status of the delivery. So they have a few options. So you can say on my way or delivered. So I'm gonna mark it as delivered, and now I'm gonna log out and go back as the recipient. And now I can see the status. All of my items have been delivered to me. Okay, and the final user is a donor. So let's just say you want to donate food to the food bank or supplies to the charity. So as a donor, you can see all the requests that have been made and all the items that have been requested, so you can donate supplies accordingly. And yeah, that concludes the demo of our project. We hope that this tool will enable charities and food banks to overcome the difficulties they may have during this pandemic and encourage members of the community to take initiative and help each other. Thank you for your time.